Wings. Today I will tell you about the future of the F-22 Raptor, advanced technologies, upgrades, and what comes next. Let's start. As the global race for air superiority intensifies, the United States Air Force is facing a pivotal question. How do you maintain dominance in the skies when your most powerful jet, the F-22 Raptor, is based on 1990s technology? The answer lies in a combination of advanced technological upgrades and the development of a next-generation air superiority system. In this article, we explore the future of the F-22, the cutting-edge enhancements being applied, and what's coming next. A legacy worth upgrading. Introduced in 2005, the F-22 Raptor was the world's first fifth-generation stealth fighter. Developed by Lockheed Martin, it was designed for one purpose: total air dominance. With supercruise capabilities, unmatched maneuverability, low observability, and superior avionics, the F-22 quickly became the benchmark. However, despite its advanced design, the rapid acceleration of military technology, especially from peer competitors like China and Russia, has exposed the need to modernize the Raptor fleet to meet next-gen threats. Advanced technology upgrades in the F-22 Raptor. The U.S. Air Force is implementing a series of cutting-edge upgrades to bring the F-22's capabilities closer to sixth-generation standards. Let's explore some of the most notable. Open Mission Systems, OMS, architecture. One of the most critical upgrades is the implementation of OMS, which allows the F-22 to rapidly integrate new software, sensors, and weapons, without major rewiring or downtime. Enables plug-and-play of new technologies. Shortens update cycles from years to months. Future-proofs the platform. APG-77, V1 AESA radar upgrade. The F-22's radar system has received significant enhancements to improve detection, targeting, and resistance to electronic countermeasures. Greater range and resolution. Real-time battlefield awareness. Better tracking of stealth targets. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning integration. To reduce pilot workload and enhance real-time decision-making, the Air Force is testing AI algorithms that assist with sensor fusion for multi-source data interpretation, threat prioritization, combat maneuver suggestions, electronic warfare decision-making, tactical targeting network technology, TTNT, and LINK-16 integration. Modern warfare depends on fast, secure data sharing. F-22s are being retrofitted with TTNT and LINK-16, ensuring they can communicate with F-35s and legacy aircraft. Drones and satellites. Ground control and missile defense systems. This network-centric warfare capability allows the Raptor to act as a stealth quarterback in joint operations. Stealth coating enhancements. New low-observable coating materials are being developed to reduce maintenance time and enhance radar absorption efficiency. Improved durability in harsh environments. Faster turnaround times between missions. Greater resistance to radar detection. Next general weapons integration. The F-22 is being upgraded to carry modern air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, including AIM-260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, JATM, longer range and more maneuverable than the AIM-120 AMRAAM. Hypersonic missile compatibility. In test phase, directed energy, laser, weapons in conceptual integration. Limitations of upgrading the F-22. Despite these impressive improvements, there are limits to how far the F-22 can evolve. It lacks modular design, making hardware upgrades more difficult than newer platforms. Only 187 units were built, restricting large-scale deployment. Increasing maintenance costs and aging airframes reduce mission readiness. Not designed with AI, drone teaming, or multi-domain integration in mind from the start. This leads to an inevitable question: what comes after the F-22? The future. NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance. The F-22's long-term replacement is already in development under the Air Force's Next Generation Air Dominance, NGAD, program. Unlike traditional aircraft programs, NGAD is envisioned as a system of systems, not a single jet. NGAD core components: 6th generation manned stealth fighter. Autonomous wingman drones, aka collaborative combat aircraft, adaptive cycle engines with smart thermal management, AI-enhanced battle systems, directed energy weapons, multi-domain integration, air, space, cyber, and sea. NGAD's aircraft is expected to feature variable mission adaptability, allowing it to deploy different configurations depending on the threat environment. According to U.S. Air Force officials, a full-scale NGAD prototype has already flown, and the system could be operational by the early 2030s. Strategic role of the F-22 in the transition period. Until NGAD is fielded, the upgraded F-22 will continue to serve as America's premier air superiority asset, particularly in conflict zones like the Indo-Pacific, where long-range stealth and air dominance are critical. In the future battle environment, the F-22 may serve as a command and control node in a combat network, a loyal wingman leader for eye-powered drones, a stealthy missile truck with beyond visual range (BVR) capabilities. From dominance to evolution, the F-22 Raptor is not just a fighter jet, it is a symbol of technological supremacy. With its recent and upcoming upgrades, it will remain a formidable presence in the sky through at least 2035. But as warfare shifts toward eye-powered swarms, hypersonic missiles, quantum communications, and unmanned operations, the Raptor's future will eventually yield to the capabilities of NGAD and beyond. The sky is no longer the limit, and in the race for next-gen air dominance, the U.S. is determined to stay ahead, starting with the evolution of the Raptor. Thanks for watching our video and subscribe for high-quality content to update every week.